Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied visual design. We want to learn how to use the emphasize text, the EM tag. And what this EM tag does is that it italicizes the text. And what it does behind the scenes, we do this, add this EM tag in HTML. And what it does in the CSS part of it is gives this a property, a font style with a value italic. For this exercise, we want to wrap an EM tag around the contents of the paragraph tag to give it emphasis. So around this P tag here, this paragraph, we want to give an EM tag. So let me go EM, and then EM. And there you go. And as you can see, it's italicized now. Thank you.